Hey, what's going on, everybody? We have been showcasing the Backcove 390 build. We've also shown you some pictures from a recent Sabre 48 install, but can't forget about everything that's going on around here in our own facility. We've got this Southport here getting the full fluff and buff treatment. We've just wrapped up a Rodan install there. As you can see, we've got a ton of Southport stacked up in here, getting all of their winter work, getting everything ready for spring. One of the boats in particular we're going to showcase today is this Southport 30. I don't think there's another option really left to put on this boat. So let's go ahead and let's walk around and show you guys everything that's going on with this boat. Customer wanted to do some additional rod storage. So as you look right here, we've got the speaky rods over here. We've got fly rod storage right there. And as we make our way back, you'll see in the overhead here, we've gone ahead. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it right there. We have the life jacket storage right there. So if that wasn't enough, we've gone ahead and we've pulled off the lid here for what is the prep station area. And we have added more storage in here with all of these Plano tackle box type stuff. And we actually had to go ahead and section this area out and make it a little bit wider so that we could fit all of these guys in there. So once that's all done, that's all getting wrapped up, we took the lid over here and we have added a cutting board, a nice 1/2 inch all the way around cutting board onto there. So go ahead, we're going to get that all cleaned up right there, and we're going to get the lid placed back on that. So, and if that wasn't enough, check out what's going on down here in the head area. We've gone ahead, we've installed an inverter. There's our controller for it. Why do we have an inverter? Well, we've got a coffee machine right there, and we've also gone ahead and got a microwave. So now if you're going out, you're gonna hit the water fishing in the morning, you want your Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage, you can nuke it, you can get your cup of coffee, you guys can be out there. He's gonna have all his gear, all his safety gear, all his fishing gear, everything all ready to go for him. So that's just one of the many projects that we have going on here this winter. Just wanted to highlight something else we got going on. That's it, guys. Stay tuned. We got more coming. Peace.